How to use points in Shein. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily use points on your Shein app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Shein app and wait for it to load. Now once you're in your Shein app, first add the products that you want to buy to your bag. So let me add a products quickly. So now I have added this product to my bag. Now go to your bag. Now here tap on checkout in the bottom right corner. Now here scroll down. Here you will see points. Tap on it. Then here you will see the available points. I have 0. You will see all of the available points you have here, and then here input the points how much you want to use. Then tap on apply and the points will be applied and you will be able to use that points on this purchase. Then you have to just place an order and continue with the buying process, and this is how you can use points in the Shein app. Thanks for watching.